Hey everyone, today's lesson is going to be on reviewing integers. So we'll review integers, we'll start chapter 6 and we'll get started with that. So I can review integer operations. Okay, so I can review integer operations. So example 1, find the missing value in the table. Hopefully most of you can take a look at this. So this is an XY table. Here are your X values. Here are your Y values. It looks like my X's increased by 10 every single time, and my Y's also increased by 10. Therefore, this last missing Y value would be 30. Okay. Example number 2, evaluate this expression right here. I have -7 minus -12 minus 14. Okay, so I feel like some of us are still struggling with negatives a little bit, so that's why we'll take it easy today and we'll progress with this. So when it says this, do the focus on these first two integer operations first. Okay, so it says -7 minus -12. Anytime you have subtraction, you're going to keep, change, right? So you have -7, change this to plus, right? And then you're going to change this also to plus. So you have -7 plus 12. If you have -7 plus 12, think of this as money, right? If you have -$7 and then someone gives you $12, how much money do you have? You have positive $5. Right? And then you bring the next part down. You have 5 minus 14. You do keep, change again. 5 plus -14. If you're struggling with this, once again, think about money. You have $5 and then you spend $14. How much money would you have left over? Well, you're in debt, right? You have -$9. So this would be your final answer. When it says evaluate, that's what you are going to do. All right, so I want you to work on the next 6 on your own. And then input your answers onto Edpuzzle. Okay, so once you input your answers onto Edpuzzle, we'll move on from there. All right, last but not least, example number 3, evaluate this expression when x is equal to 5. Evaluate means to solve. Okay, this was in the other directions as well. It's set to evaluate there too. When it says evaluate, that's going to mean you're going to solve when x is equal to 5. So instead of x, you're going to plug in 5. So it'd be 2, 5 minus 12. Remember, if you have a number next to a parentheses, that's multiplication. So you have 10 minus 12. You can use keep, change for this as well. So you have 10 plus -12. You have $10. And then you spend -$12. So how much money would you have? You should have -2. All right. So why don't you circle today's level of understanding? I want to challenge you to do really well on today's Big Ideas Math. Remember, you do have unlimited attempts. Okay, so take your time with these. I want all of us to get better with these integer operations as we progress forward. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, okay?